Hello everybody, welcome back to our class. So today, as already promised in our previous session, I am ready with my another discourse, second discourse, that is poster preparation, or we can otherwise call it as advertisement. And this poster is a visual mode of communication. For example, this happens especially on Sundays. Sunday morning when you get up and when you look into the newspaper, when you turn the papers, you find few small papers, colorful papers with some bright colored words and few attractive pictures, and mostly words like hurry up, hangama sale, dhamaka sale, or heading like 50% discount or special offers, limited offers. Yes, we see such kind of pamphlets in our newspapers which are very attractive. If you observe those short papers, you will find very attractive words, more of pictures and less words. Their mode of communication is through pictures than words. That is called poster. We too have a very important discourse in our discourses like poster preparation. Mostly we call it as poster preparation, occasionally we call it as advertisement also. Don't get confused if the word advertisement creeps into your question paper. It is nothing but poster preparation. So today we are going to learn about how to prepare a poster, and if you are perfect in this poster preparation, you will easily score 5 marks in your paper. So let's quickly get into the topic. So what are the key features to be applied while preparing these posters? The first thing is it should be very attractive. See, the attractive things we get attracted if something is shining, glittering, a beautiful picture on it, or colorful words, then what happens automatically, we turn towards that and we will be observing. So our advertisement should also look very attractive, and at the same time there should be appropriate pictures. Appropriate pictures means these pictures should be relevant to our topic. Topic is something else, and if the pictures are something else, there will be no coordination, there will be no matching of those things, right? So whatever the topic is, the pictures, whether you stick or you draw, should be perfectly matching with the topic. And the next one is rhythmic and slogan type of language. Language should be simple enough. As already said, there should be limited words in our poster, more of pictures, and whatever the words you use, they should be rhythmic and it should be in the form of slogan and simple language. And at the same time, we should have minimum layout with borders. Layout means place with borders. Even if we go for any reservations, there we check layout, which berth are we getting. Yes, the same way here also there should be minimum layout. Posters or pamphlets or advertisements can't be in A4 size paper or A3 size paper. They should be very limited, very short, and it should be precise and it should give maximum information, just like our cartoons. Yes, so there should be minimum layout with borders. Here I have prepared one poster which is not colorful, it is just green and white in color because lack of resources. So here we have a poster prepared for you on the topic Traffic Week. Every year we celebrate Traffic Week. Celebrations in the sense we try creating awareness among people, and we try giving information to people about traffic rules and regulations, what is our obligation in following those traffic rules and what happens if we deny those responsibilities, and all those will be shared during that particular week. Of course, throughout the year we will be doing this, but there will be a particular timing on which the awareness percentage will be more and more. So here there is a poster prepared on Traffic Week. So here if you observe, here there are few catchy words like keep always left. We should always keep ourselves towards left on the road, and we have to follow our traffic rules, that is for our benefit. And what is the next one? Use seat belt. Under this I have given these 3 diagrams. Here we have pedestrians, they are following this zebra crossing, and here they are following the rule of putting ourselves towards left, and here there is a danger signal. Instead of these 3, you can also put another picture like traffic signals, orange, red and green, or anything else like signal boards, no U-turn or U-turn boards, anything can be put here. Yes, and also I have given another sentence like follow signals, live and let live. Yes, all of us should be very careful when we go out on road. Our mistake may cost some other's life, so we should be very careful while going on road. We should be careful and others also should be careful, because some others' mistake may be a threat to our life, or our mistake may be a threat to some other's life. One person in a family will cost the entire family. Yes, so we have to be very careful, and this is the awareness we try giving to people during this traffic week. So here I have given this catchy caption like live and let live. And finally, what is the important thing we are giving here? Who is issuing this poster? Who is issuing this poster? Issued in the public interest for the benefit of public. Who is issuing? Commissioner of the Registrations and Traffic. Alright? Yes. So this is just an example of traffic week. So posters can be in different ways. Yes, poster can be for something else also. During that situation, you will be asked to add few more details, like heading is a common one. You will be asked to incorporate few more things like venue, date, time, details of the program, suitable pictures, and who issued the poster. These are the few things which are very important to be followed during this poster preparation. I hope you all understood the topic how to prepare poster preparation. So let's catch up with another interesting topic in the next session. Until then, see you all, take care.